In the smartphone world, we usually have to choose. You want a slim phone? Say goodbye to battery life. You want a gaming phone? Get ready for a design that looks like a spaceship and a camera that, well, exists. But then, Honor dropped this, the Honor Win RT. On paper, this shouldn't exist. It's got a battery larger than some tablets, a display faster than most gaming monitors, and I'm not joking, an actual turbine cooling fan spinning inside. Today, we're doing a deep dive into the Honor Win RT to see if this is the ultimate everything flagship or just a beautiful high-spec fever dream. Let's start with the elephant in the room, or rather the jet engine in the phone. The Honor Win RT features the Dongfeng turbine cooling fan. We're talking 25,000 RPM. Most phones rely on vapor chambers and hope for the best. The Win RT actively sucks in air to drop temperatures by nearly 6 degrees Celsius during peak load. Under the hood, the RT model is rocking the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. Now the Pro model gets the Gen 5 version, but don't let that fool you. The RT is a monster. With LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.1 storage, everything is instantaneous. Moving to the front, we have a 6.83-inch 1.5K OLED panel. But the headline here is the 185Hz refresh rate. We've seen 144Hz and 165Hz, but 185Hz on a flat LTPS display feels like butter on top of silk. The touch sampling rate hits 480Hz, making it incredibly responsive for esports titles. Honor also brought their Oasis eye protection tech here. We're looking at a staggering 5,920Hz PWM dimming. If you're a late-night gamer or sensitive to screen flicker, this is arguably the best display on the market for eye health. And with a peak brightness of 6,000 nits, outdoor visibility is a non-issue. It's a literal flashlight in your pocket. Now let's talk about the Qinghai Lake battery, 10,000 mAh. To put that in perspective, the average flagship has 5,000 mAh. Honor has literally doubled the industry standard while keeping the phone at 8.3 millimeters thick. That is some serious engineering wizardry using silicon carbon technology. In real-world use, this is a 2 to 3 day phone for normal people. For gamers, you can get over 16 hours of continuous, high-intensity gaming. When you finally hit zero, the 100-watt wired charging gets you back in the game fast. Note that the RT loses the wireless charging found on the standard Win model, but it keeps the 27-watt reverse wired charging. So yes, your phone is now officially a high-speed power bank for your friends' iPhones. Usually, performance phones sacrifice the cameras. Honor tried to find a middle ground here. The Win RT sports a dual setup, a 50-megapixel Sony primary with OIS and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide that doubles as a macro lens. The photos are actually surprisingly good. Colors are punchy, and the OIS handles video well. You miss out on the dedicated telephoto lens found on the higher-end Honor Win, but for most people, this setup is more than solid. Oh, and the 50-megapixel selfie camera is actually top tier, great for streamers or just high-res video calls. Build-wise, it's a tank, IP68, IP69, and IP69K ratings. It can handle high-pressure water jets. It's got a metal frame, glass back, and an ultrasonic fingerprint sensor that works even if your hands are sweaty from a boss fight. Software side, we're running Magic OS 10 based on Android 16. It's clean, it's fast, and it includes the Honor Phantom engine, which uses AI to interpolate frames in games, making 60 FPS games look like 120 FPS. So who is the Honor Win RT for? If you are a power user who is tired of carrying a charger, or a gamer who wants sustained performance without the bulk of a traditional gaming phone, this is the one. It's bold, it's a bit over-engineered, and it's a clear statement from Honor. They aren't just playing the game, they're trying to win it. But what do you think? Is 10,000 mAh too much, or exactly what we've been waiting for? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more video. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.